Hey, what's up, y'all? Catfish Gravy. Let's get it. We're gonna start off by chopping up our vegetables. We got one whole medium onion. Just gonna simply chop that up. A half a bell pepper, chop. And one stalk celery, chop. Then we're gonna go ahead and get this into our pan. Then we're gonna go ahead and get this mix. Oh yeah, I know y'all know this smells good. Man, cooking onions always smell good. So once we cook our onions down, we're gonna add a cup of chicken stock, y'all. Once that boils down, we're gonna start adding our tomatoes, our mushroom, and then we're gonna go ahead and mix that up, y'all. Now it's time to add that catfish, y'all. That catfish. Once we get our catfish in, we're gonna go ahead and give this a mix. Oh yeah, smelling good in here. Y'all know what time it is now, right? Time to rain on it. Gonna hit them with a little bit of that cayenne, y'all. That salt. We also gonna hit them with a little basil, y'all. Then we gonna go ahead and give that a mix. Now it's time to add that quarter cup of cream, y'all. Gonna give that a mix and let everything simmer down. Time to plate up, y'all. Simply got some rice. I'm gonna put our mixture right over the top. Now hey, you like catfish? You like the flavor of this? You gonna like this. You gonna like it. Check that out, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So check it, guys. Thanks for checking out the video. Hey, please hit that subscribe button right here. And hey, if you think about check out one of these other two videos that I already made. But anyway, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See you.